finally got the kids to stop playing around. Yeah, it's definitely time for bed. It's like 8 or something. Okay, I love this little streak in my hair of blonde. Anyways, I am super tired. Johnny? Yeah, Jasmine? I'm bored. Me too. I know what to do. It's not bed yet. Easy. Good idea. Woohoo! Alright, best party. Look at that flash. Bling, bling, bling. What's this here? Dada, Mama. Oh, you scared me for a minute. Oh, yes, you really did, honey. I hear something go like... How do you do that voices? Oh, I hear that too. Or is that you, Grace? No, Grace. Hey, Johnny, do you hear that? I do. I want to go out to Mom. Me too. I'm going to turn this off. Wait, I don't know how to turn this off. Just press everywhere, press everywhere, press everywhere. Don't know. Oh, there. Got it. Coming. Mommy. Daddy. We heard a noise. We know it was Grace. Show us how it's like. Yes, it was like that. I'll go check outside. Whoa. Girls, it's not vicious at all. And Johnny. Ooh, what is it? Come on, girls. Is this it? Is this what you're talking about? Oh, how cute. Well, we better leave it alone. Let's leave it alone. Then live its life. Yeah. It could be really scared right now. Yeah, Johnny. Yeah. Bye, Mr. Cat. Whew. Come on, Johnny. Come in, Jasmine. Oh, I fell out of bed. Mom, Dad, I hear a meowing sound. Oh, it's just a cat outside. You can go look at it. I want to have a go look. Hi, I'm Emma. You're such a cute cat. Oh, yes, you are. Yes, you are. Bye, then. The cat's vision of its eyes.